Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at the unique function. The unique function is a lookup and reference function. And of course, this function extracts the distinct or the unique values from a list of range. This function is useful for removing duplicates and creating lists of unique items dynamically. So all you need to do in the function is to provide the function name, which is equals unique, and then your array, and then maybe you are providing by column, and then the number of the character, maybe distinct or unique. Okay, so the key features here is extract distinct value dynamically without duplicate, can return only values that appear once. It works with numbers, text, and multiple columns. Then it automatically updates when source data changes. This function is only available in 365 and 2019 version. It's not in the older version. The unique function is essential for cleaning, analysis, and reporting. So let's see an example in the Excel worksheet. So we are just going to create a unique of equals unique, and we are going to pick our array, which is the product, and we are going to provide what type of value should we return. We say, okay, return unique rows. Okay, and the next thing says return every distinct item or return item that appears exactly once. So we're going to return every distinct item. So with this, we just hit the enter, and this gives us the product. Now the 0 here is because we selected to the end of the row. So if I put maybe B1 to B214, then we're going to have 0 excluded. So we are going to see that it is the unique items that has been given. Okay. You can also do this for country, where we'll put the unique, and then our array will be the country value. So from column F1 to F214, and then of course we're going to provide the column. So in this case, this tells us, whether we are returning a unique row or unique column. So we will say unique row, and then of course we are returning distinct value, and then we use the enter key, so we get the distinct country value. So you can use this to know what are the unique items, products, what are the unique countries. So this is just a way of returning data that shows you what are the unique items that you have in your data. All right, so this is where we're going to stop on working with the unique function. Bye for now.